Hey guys, it's Crystal here from ChristaCoDesign. You'll need a 5mm crochet hook and 1 skein of yarn. You can choose worsted weight yarn or DK weight. For this video and the sample pictured here is Asylum Fibers Sparkle DK, and the finished cowl is 9 inches by 30 inches. Here I'm starting with foundation single crochet. I'm going to make 111 and then join them in a circle with a slip stitch. If you prefer, you can also chain 111 and join the same way. For those who prefer the chains, you're going to make 111. Be sure not to twist and join them with a slip stitch to the first chain you make. Chain 1. In the same stitch, place a half double crochet. Chain 1. Place another half double crochet in that same stitch. Chain 2. Skip 2. Half double crochet in the next stitch. Chain 1. Half double crochet in that same stitch. Chain 2, skip 2, half double crochet, chain 1, half double crochet, all in the same stitch. Repeat that around. At the end of round 1 here, but I'm going to take a quick minute to join my foundation round with my yarn tail. You'll have 185 stitches. Okay, so ending round 1 with my skip 2, and now right in the center of that chain 1, I'm going to slip stitch. So I skip the first half double crochet I made, slip stitch to the chain 1 space, and now we'll start round 2 with a chain 3 or alternative. This counts as our first double crochet. Now I'll skip the next stitch and place 2 single crochets in this chain 2 space. Now I'll skip the next stitch, double crochet in the chain 1 space, skip the next stitch, work 2 single crochets in the chain 2 space. And I will repeat all of that around. Double crochet in the chain 1, 2 single crochets in the chain 2s. Now we're at our last chain 2 space where we'll place our last 2 single crochets. To end this round, we'll have 111 stitches, which is fewer stitches than the first round, so you may notice it curling up, but we're going to add those stitches back in on the next round and they will balance out. Okay, so now we're going to slip stitch to the top of our chain 3 or chain 3 alternative to join our round. Going to chain 1, place a half double crochet, chain 1, half double crochet all in that same stitch. Mark my first stitch here. Then chain 2, skip the 2 single crochets, and then top of the next double crochet we are working all of those again, half double crochet, chain 1, half double crochet. Chain 2, skip the next 2 stitches, and repeat. Keep repeating that all the way around. You'll have 185 stitches. All right, we're at the end of round 3 here, finishing up with our half double crochet, chain 1, half double crochet all in that same double crochet, chain 2, skip the last 2. Again, we'll have 185 stitches at the end of round 3. Again, we will skip that first half double crochet and slip stitch to the chain 1 space to join. Start with our chain 3, which counts as our first double crochet of the round. Skip the next stitch, place 2 single crochets in the chain 2 space. Skip the next stitch, double crochet in that chain 1 space. Skip the next stitch and place 2 single crochets in the chain 2 space, and keep repeating that around. Now it's time to repeat those 2 rounds, rounds 3 and 4, until you've reached your desired height for your cowl. For this single skein of DK yarn that I'm using, it was about 24 rounds and about 9 inches tall. To finish off, we will do 1 round of single crochets. So we'll start with a chain 1 and then single crochet in each stitch around. Finish up, you can slip stitch to your first stitch to join, or do an invisible join here, which I will show you now. With our hook and stitch still in place, we'll cut our yarn and then pull our loop through that stitch, thread our yarn needle, go under that first stitch, under the 2 loops where you normally put your crochet hook, pull your yarn through, and then go down into the top of the last stitch, making a little faux stitch. Then you just weave it away like normal.